In senior living, reliable maintenance means safety, comfort, and peace of mind for residents and staff. UpKeep makes it simple for staff to report maintenance issues in real time. Instant alerts mean faster response times and better resident care. Technicians can log repairs, update work order status, and track parts usage, all from their mobile device. And with our new UpKeep Intelligence, your team gets AI-powered insights to help predict issues before they happen and extend the life of critical equipment. UpKeep helps you stay proactive by scheduling routine maintenance, preventing costly issues before they happen. Keep your senior living community safe, efficient, and comfortable with UpKeep.